Shangrongshalla has the habang koksa Panda Paimani Yagola State Guest House Conference Hall Nogo 16 Finance Commission of India na the Kaisa Kokthum Panda Khlaijakha Panda Manjaka Commission ni Chairman Dr. Arvind Panagariano Khoboi Kubunadong Rok Ashali Kokthum Panda Kok Sanani Thangai Commission Chairman Dr. Arvind Panagaria Saka Financial Rogo Bahaike Shamong Khlainai Abono Tuibo Shajakha Koklam Abono Karibo Hastini Shamong Homoni Naikol Mongte Abahaike Shamong Khlainani Nangnai Abono Tuibo Shajakha Koklam
Population 15th Finance Commission said 15% of the state's share should be divided based on that. So if Tripura has certain share in the population of the total population of the 28 states, then 15% of the divisible pool would be then divided, would be awarded to Tripura based on that share, on the population share. Similarly, 15th had area which it gave 15% weight, which means that 15% of the divisible pool was divided based on the share in the national geographical area of the 28 states. For population, the Tripura government said reduce that weight from 15 to 10%. For area, Tripura government said reduce that weight from 15 to 5%. As you know, Tripura is a state with very small share in nationally. It is the third smallest state. So therefore, when you do it by area, it doesn't get a whole lot out of it. So its recommendation on that expectation, I believe, is to reduce the weight of area from 15 to 5%. On forest and ecology, the 15th Finance Commission had given a weight of 10%, meaning 10%, it divided 10% of the divisible pool based on the share in forest of any given state. Tripura government's recommendation is that should be increased to 20%. And once again, this is coming from the fact that Tripura actually has a very large forest area. Almost 70% of Tripura's total area is covered by forest. On income distance, now a very important objective of the Finance Commission devolutions has always been some form of equity. That the underlying philosophy is that every state should roughly be able to provide, be in a position to provide similar levels of economic and social services, meaning education, health, etc. And so there is an effort by this successive finance commissions to redistribute the revenue in favor of poorer states which are not able to raise their own revenues, meaning states with lower per capita income.
Khlaijakha Agulunismi Omitni Kokthum Chini Khorang.